Today I'm making lobster, grilled lobster with just simple ingredients. We have garlic, lemon, and some tomatoes. Now my tomatoes look like this because they're actually organic. They're homegrown tomatoes. The last harvest, they're outside and it's cold now. It's autumn, so I don't think they will be yellow or red outside. And then we will have our parsley, which is, I have it frozen. And then we will have the lobster with salad. So I already made the salad mix, which everything that I need is in this pack. So we begin by cutting this lobster. This is a very easy and simple recipe. So the first thing that we will do is we will cut our lobster. So I don't know if I will make it right now. I think you cut it from here. Yes, and this is our lobster. Here in Sweden, they actually cooked it and then sell it in the store. They don't usually sell uncooked lobster seafoods unless you're in there in the, I think, the port where they're freshly catch from the ocean. So I think I have to do this. I cut it into half now. I think this is the one they call aligri, the fat, the orange. Yeah. So what I do is I'm going to clean it, not all, but I will take all the meat first. To do with the claws, usually you should take out the meat and you include the meat here, but I'm not going to do that because I don't want to destroy the claws, but I will crack it so it's easy to open it later. Here, so I'm going to take that meat here. So now for the other ingredients. So we have it in our bowl now. You can see it. This is the meat, and then I have butter. The only butter I have at home right now. So I'll just butter. Lots of butter. So mix it aside. And then we will have our garlic. And garlic. this is our mixture, so we just have to add it. All the garlic. So like I said, I'm out of fresh parsley, so I have frozen. I actually have lots of frozen herbs, so when I'm out I have still a reserve frozen, but it works. So you see the lights is so strong, so this is, I will adjust this one. That's the parsley there. So I only have basically I only have the meat, the lobster meat, butter, salted butter, garlic, chopped garlic, and chopped parsley in this one. Then you just mix it. And in the oven, you have to preheat the oven to 225 degrees Celsius, I think. I think I'm going to add more. I need to pick this. So yes, there's a lot of parsley there. So what we're going to do now, and we will have our lemon too for that. Squeeze of lemon. I'm also squeezing this one here. So now I'm going to transfer this one in here. So here. Oh, it's okay. We can put it back actually. So this is, put it somewhere. And this one too. And this inside here. The meat back. So this is the meat that we marinate. So we put it back. You can actually add cheese in this one, but I'm not going to do it because someone's stomach is not really happy with cheese. So for now, I'm not going to put some cheese. That. So we will put this in the oven. Oh yeah. 220. So what we're going to do now is, while waiting for the lobster, so I will make some salad because we will eat the lobsters with salad. So this big bowl, so we have to put this already mixed salad. this. And here we'll make our vinaigrette. We're peeling the carrots. Let's see. No, it's okay. You be careful your fingers when you do this, so you will not harm yourself. So this one, I will add it to the lobsters. So now for our sauce, we need lemon, we need olive oil, capri, olives, black olives, pepper. So we're going to take out the juice from this lemon. Just squeeze it. So I'm going to make the lemon as a garnish paper. See, I have reserved there. And now we will have our olive oil. So we have our black olives without seeds, so it's easy to just chop it. See? And then this is, we just add it there. So, and then we will have to add some capri. So just add it there. And then we will have our pepper with lemon zest, and then just a little bit of salt, just a little bit. So we have now made our vinaigrette. So look at that. It's juice just running out. And then we're going to transfer it to a plate.